I am a superhero.
No, you are not a superhero.
Okay. He is a doctor.
No, he's not a doctor.
Okay. It is my pet.
No, it is not your pet.
Emma Watson is my girlfriend.
No, she's not your girlfriend.
We are tall.
No, you are not tall.
Okay, they are my fans.
No, they are not your fans.
These are many negations in my life. Many negations. And Emma Watson is not my girlfriend. This is the verb to be for negative sentences. To use the verb to be in negative sentences, we need not after the verb to be. Am I Batman? No, I am not Batman. Are you in prison? No, you are not in prison. Is it ugly? No, it is not ugly. Is Mary my girlfriend? No, she is not my girlfriend. Is John a child? No, he is not a child. Are we from China? No, we are not from China. Are they my pets? No, they are not my pets. For negations we need not, but it's possible to contract that negation and make a combination with the verb to be. So we have you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. A. Are you in prison? No, you aren't in prison. Is it ugly? No, it isn't ugly. Is Mary my girlfriend? No, she isn't my girlfriend. Is John a child? No, he isn't a child. Are we from China? No, we aren't from China. Are they my pets? No, they aren't my pets. The negative contraction with am doesn't exist. A. Am I Batman? No, I haven't. No. I amn't doesn't exist. Am I Batman? No, I am not Batman. The verb to be is not difficult. No, it is not difficult. People, practice, keep on practicing. You will see me later. Peace